Good morning, student. Today I am here with you with your new poem. The name of your poem is Together We Can. So let's recite and enjoy it. Let us think.
Let us think.
A. Answer the following.
Answer the following.
1.
1.
What happens
What happens
when you join hands
when you join hands
with your team?
with your team?
2.
2.
While helping each other.
Why is helping each other
Important.
important?
B.
B.
Think and discuss.
Think and discuss.
1.
1.
What makes you feel joyful?
What makes you feel joyful?
2. Can you think of a good activity
Can you think of a good activities
that you can do together
That you can do together
with a friend?
with a friend.
3.
3.
Have you ever lost a game?
Have you ever lost a game?
How did you feel?
How did you feel?
4. Imagine
Imagine
you are the team leader
you are the team leader
of a group project
of a group project
and 2 of your teammates
and 2 of your teammates
disagreed with each other
disagree with each other
for some reason.
for some reason.
What would you do
What would you do
to unite your team again?
to unite your team again?
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
Darsana,
Darsana,
I love my country.
I love my country.
We have different traditions,
We have different traditions,
food, festivals, and languages. But we still stand in unity.
but we still stand in unity.
Yes,
Yes,
Bokali, together we stand in unity.
together we stand in unity.
Read what Bokali and Darsana are saying.
Are saying,
Turn to your friend
turn to your friend
sitting beside you
sitting beside you
and exchange the conversation
and exchange the conversation
with each other.
with each other.
Share what foods
Share what food
and festivals
and festivals
you like the most
you like the most
and say few lines
and say few lines
about them.
about them.
Hello, I am dash. My favorite food is
My favorite food is
blank. My favorite festival is
my favorite festival is
blank. In this festival, blank. Note to the teacher. Model the conversation for learners. Sentences may be added or simplified according to the learning level of the learners. Encourage the learners to talk in pairs or small groups by following the conversation. Etiquette of turn taking. You may write the lines on the board to provide a structure. However, it is advised to encourage the learners to add their inputs. Let us learn. A. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks by using words from the box. One is done for you. Choir, pack, grove, herd, swarm, bunch, bouquet. 1. A bundle of sticks. 2. A dash of sheep. 3. A dash of wolves. 4. A dash of flowers. 5. A dash of trees. 6. A dash of bees. 7. A dash of boys. 8. A dash of keys. Do you know honeybees use a waggle dance to communicate with their hive members? They share the exact location of flowers having nectar, pollen, or water sources. Ants also work as a team, using signals to find food, defend their colony, and build complex nests. B. Look at the map given below and pay attention to the various places mentioned in it. Hospital, bank, post office, school, bookstore, children park. Now, fill in the blanks with words chosen from the box. Behind, between, near, in front of. 1. The post office is blank, the hospital. 2. There is a bookstore, dash, the children's park. 3. The bank is dash, the school. 4. There is an ambulance, dash, the post office and the hospital. Note to the teacher. You may discuss the picture with respect to the preposition in their mother tongue, li, before proceeding to their English counterparts. Let us write. A. Look at the pictures and answer the questions given below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. What is Lubang doing to help his injured friend? And what will they do next? 2. What are Obang, Manya and Tina doing? And what will they do next? 3. What is Anna doing? And what will the old lady do next? 4. What are Jakir, Gulpreet and Gilarshri doing? And what will they do next? 5. What are the students doing? And what will the teachers do next? Note to the teacher. Draw the learner's attention to the use of will to talk about events that will take place in the future. Let us do A. Working together. Create your symbol for togetherness by following the simple steps given below and paste a picture of what you have created in the box. Materials required: plain paper, pencil, pen, crayons, any sketch, pens, and scissors. Steps: 1. Take a sheet of paper and fold it this way. 2. Draw one side of our body, including head, neck, hand, dress, leg, and shoe. You can draw a boy or a girl. 3. Cut the paper along the drawing with scissors. 4. Unfold the paper gently. 5. Color it based on your choice with crayons or sketch pens. B. Paste a picture of what you have created.